So quick little disclaimer about today's video. I have a great special guest with me today, and that is my mother-in-law, Debbie. And we had so much fun filming this video, but I'll tell you, I did a terrible job with camera position, and I basically chopped our heads off, and the video was gonna be almost 20 minutes long. So we were gonna make some adjustments, reshoot a few things. And before we could get that done, she accidentally tripped on my front porch. She hit her head on one of my ceramic pumpkins, had to have 15 stitches. She broke her wrist, and her face is like 15 colors as well. So she declined a reshoot for obvious reasons, but I want you to know she's doing great. She was a trooper, and today's quality of the video is not fantastic, but the quality of my co-host today is top notch. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Thanks. I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true Uniqueity. And today I have a guest with me. This is my mother-in-law. I'm so glad you're here. It's her first trip to our new home in Georgia. And I'm excited that you're joining me because you are very crafty. You do a lot of sewing projects, a lot of glass work, just beautiful crafts. But I was wondering, have you ever really worked with cupcake toppers with fondant?
No.
No, okay. Have you ever worked with CMC powder?
Never.
Never, okay. How about like with any kind of molds of any?
Never.
Never, okay. So we have a beginner when it comes to cupcake toppers and fondant,
Yes, you do.
which is great because I show you in all my videos, quite honestly, when you have no talent, how great you can make things. And today we're gonna show you a woman that actually has talent, first time with fondant. So I'm excited to show you how simple this is. I know this is gonna turn out awesome.
Yeah.
And this could be a great project for your upcoming fall, like maybe Thanksgiving, some Thanksgiving cupcakes. So let's jump into today's project. I can't wait to see how these turn out.
Neither can, well, maybe.
They're gonna be great, I promise. So, okay, here we go. So let's jump in. The first thing I had her do was just take some white fondant, add some CMC powder to the fondant, and just knead it in so that it was dispersed throughout the fondant evenly. This just allows the fondant to harden so that you can work with it, and it sets up nice. She's been kneading for 75 hours, and now, it's
still
done.
the same.
She's had 5 cups of coffee. No, so I picked up these molds on Amazon, and they are pumpkin molds, and so she's gonna fill that mold.
Just cram it in
Yeah,
there.
yeah. And you know what you probably want to do is you're gonna want to make it as smooth, this is like playing with Play-Doh. So just kind of make it smooth, kind of make it like a round, smooth ball so that whenever you put it in there, there you go, that's perfect. So, and this one has, you can see, this one has like a little, there's a little hole in the bottom for the stem. And if it doesn't really work well, we'll add a stem at the end, so it's okay. So just kind of put the ball down in there. Yeah, just kind of, and that should be, just kind of work it in there. See, I mean, what, on a scale to 1 to 10, how difficult is this? 1 being easy, 10 being so hard.
Oh, bad. 1.
A 1. Okay, see, it's easy.
Like a kid playing.
Yeah, I know. I know. That's why I'm so good at it. Neat thing is that if it doesn't come out perfect the first time, you just put it back in, and then you try it again. So how you're going to do this, and this is a smaller pumpkin, you're going to kind of try to just kind of, without stretching the pumpkin, try to kind of pull it like kind of out, just kind of.
This one? Yeah,
let's see if we can get him out. And if he's a hot mess, whenever, and this mold is a little more challenging than like, yeah, I know, but you're advanced, than this. This mold, when we do this mold, will be a lot more simple. Let me help you on this side too. Just, oh, look how pretty it is. Okay.
Okay. And just take him out.
Oh, he's a perfect pumpkin. First, seriously, was that
Yes.
truly your first time? We didn't do a bunch of retakes, did we?
No. My very first pumpkin, and he cute.
He's so cute.
He's not normal, but no pumpkin
A little
is
squished
normal.
on the back, but that's okay. That's okay. You can always either redo it, or
No,
he
I
is
like
what he
it.
is. Yes.
I like him. He has character.
He truly does. Okay, so now we're going to use this mold to make some whimsical vines for it. But we're going to do something because we like lots of bright colors in the Uniqueity household. So we're going to do something unexpected. So let's make some vines. I'll show you how to use this, okay? Okay, so we're going to use neon pink. And this is some fondant that I have already opened. So feel the edges of that. Do you feel some crunchy? Some that's kind of hard?
Yes.
So
yes.
if you're new with fondant and you don't use your entire package, you can save it. You do need to wrap it up and use it fairly quickly, but there will be some crunchy hard spots. So you're gonna wanna kind of break that off because it's very hard to work it in, and a lot of times you get just kind of where you feel it hard, just kind of pinch it off and put it to the side and we'll toss it. So I'll let her work on decrunchifying the fondant and then we'll be right back. Yep, so she's gonna add some CMC powder to the hot pink fondant now. And while she's doing that, that would be a great time for me to say, I so appreciate you being here today. And I would love it if you would give today a like and let's show my mother-in-law some love. So I expect a lot of likes today.
All mother-in-laws.
Mother-in-laws unite. So give us a like and give us a comment. Let me know what you think about trying to do some cupcake toppers and maybe go out of your box that something that you would not normally do. So I want you to take some cornstarch and just kind of lightly dust the mold. Yeah, like we'll play. I don't know what we'll wind up doing. I'm thinking these two are my favorite, but probably this one because it's more the right smaller size. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah. That's a lot. Dust lightly. It's okay though. Everything's fixable. All right. See, actually, I think that's probably okay.
Okay.
It's probably okay.
We're gonna just use these two.
I think so. Those. Yeah, I do too. So, go ahead and I usually try to sort of make it like maybe like a long hot
dog.
Like a hot dog. And you might want to pinch it in half because you don't need you've got way more fondant than you probably need. If we have any left over, maybe we'll make a pink pumpkin.
Never too much fondant.
Okay, so just kind of sit him in there.
Okay.
And then just kind of squish him down in there. Ooh. Like you actually cut him in half again, like because I think you've got tons of All right.
Like this?
Yeah, and you probably have enough for this one actually, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll just show you and let's see here. There we go. Smush him down in there.
Come back here.
So it's basically just like oh, look what it's looking like though. I honestly would cut that in half, but it is looking pretty. Look, she's first timer, and look how pretty that is. I would cut it. I would try that much.
I didn't have Play-Doh when I was little.
You didn't?
No, so this is my Play-Doh, adult Play-Doh.
Oh, I did. But your kids had Play-Doh, right?
Yes, they were spoiled.
They were spoiled. Okay, and so if you need to add more, you can add it to the middle.
Oh, okay.
And then if you want to roll it, you can try rolling it out.
Oh yeah, let me roll.
So super simple. And do you feel like you need just a tad bit more? A little bit more? Okay, so maybe you were right.
You made me take it
I was wrong. She was right. I know.
Oh, I didn't.
Terrible.
It's in the middle.
It's okay. It's okay. It'll probably.
May I have another pinch?
Gosh, I was very wrong. I told you she was a natural. She's crafty.
Yeah. Oh, it's Halloween.
Well, and you will have like and then you can kind of just use your fingers too to kind of make sure you get it in, because if you get it outside of the mold, then you'll see
doesn't want to come off very good.
Well, yeah, but then you'll have extra fondant on there. You'll see. But yeah, like that. That's perfect. Kind of push it into the.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But see how you have right now how it's So here with the mold, like she's right up against where the detail is. That's what she wants, because then you're gonna have nice clean edges.
Okay, so this is okay.
I think so. And what we'll do is we'll see what it looks like, and then because this may not be, like I would keep doing. See how it's changing.
Oh, yeah.
So you want it. So there's a little bit extra fondant, but it's not anything big. It'll be fine. It'll be on the bottom. And then once you do the first one, then you'll kind of have an idea. And then this one, then you can do it again and it'll be better. Okay. And when I take these out, I just kind of turn the mold upside down and just kind of peel it back. So.
Okay, wow, see, oh, it really did push up there, didn't it?
Yeah, so you've got, so you do have plenty of extra fondant, but it's, so anyway, so.
Is that okay?
Yeah, well, yeah, let's try it and see what it's like.
Just flip it over?
Flip it over, and then you can just kind of peel it like this, and sometimes you have to kind of just get it started. And then, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Her very first one. I think it's perfect. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I had my mother-in-law reconstitute my edible gold paint with some drops of vodka, and I really had to keep an eye on her because she kept trying to drink the vodka. I was trying to keep her on track here. So anyway, so she did a great job. She just painted the stem of the pumpkin just to give it a little gold pop. Then using my edible glitter, it's kind of an opaque color by Never Forgotten Designs out of St. Louis, Missouri. I had her just use a brush from the Dollar Tree and shimmer that pumpkin. She also decided to shimmer the little vine as well. And this is what it looked like displayed on the plate. So pretty, so unexpected with that hot pink. I will be honest, the colors are not coming across great here, but it was such a pretty place setting. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I hope you will give us a thumbs up because my mother-in-law did a fantastic job helping me out today. Have a sweet and unique day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.